Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled JWST Images the Lion's Head Nebula. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a composite image put together with two different instruments aboard the James Webb Space Telescope. And what we're looking at here is what is sometimes called a planetary nebula, which, of course, has nothing to do with planets and is, in fact, the end of the life of a star. And what it is the star has collapsed down to a very dense core. That's the bright star at the center of the nebula, which is actually what is called a white dwarf. White because of its very high temperature, making the light look white from it, and the dwarf because it is a very small size. This is about the mass of the sun, but the size of Earth. We've essentially squeezed out all the space between the atoms in this core. Now, around it are the outer layers of the star, which have been expelled out into space over time. And we can see various different shells here where this is not done necessarily all at once, but over a period of time there can be multiple expulsions of material as those outer layers are pushed out into space. Once that happens, they are energized by the ultraviolet light from the star. What it does is it ionizes the gases around it and causes them to glow. So otherwise the gas would be invisible. You wouldn't see anything there, and you would only see the star itself. But that ultraviolet light actually causes the gas to glow and gives us the nebula. And that will occur until the material spreads out too far and is no longer close enough to be energized. And the star will cool down and slowly emit less ultraviolet light, which is needed to energize and cause those elements to grow. Now, this very deep image, long exposure image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope will hopefully help us to better understand these nebulae. And this is what our sun will eventually become. And one of the things that we're seeing here is in the outer layers, we can see clumps of dust that are left around. So not just gas, but actually dust, a little bit bigger pieces that are left around here. And with more detailed images, we can start to get a better idea of how this all works. How do the gas and dust interact with each other? How do they interact with the energy being emitted by the white dwarf star? And how this works in total. Because even though we've known planetary nebulae for a long time, we really don't know exactly how they work. We have a general idea, but the details we're still learning. And deeper images like this help us bring that forward to learn more about what our sun will eventually become. So that was our picture of the day, titled JWST Images the Lion's Head Nebula. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be a waterfall of light. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.